Okay, take this. We have done this before, but I said we're gonna do it right this time because the last time we didn't do it quite right. I did one strip. I'm waxing my legs with the drone, but I'm gonna do the entire leg and not one little strip. Now come and look at how genius.
Maybe she wants her legs waxed.
Jen, would you like your legs waxed?
No.
Okay, so here, check it out. I'll show you the setup here. It's genius. I'm genius.
Where'd you get that tray?
Yeah, it's your mom's tray. Now, what I've done is reinforced the strips with a little piece of plastic, punched a single hole in it for ease of putting the rope through. We're gonna run like a little...
What happened to the 80-20 rule?
This is 80-20 awesomeness. We're gonna do a munter hitch.
You don't want one?
Okay. Then we are going to firmly affix the wax. Oh yeah, there you go. Oh yeah, that looks good, eh? Okay, let's see here. We're gonna start recording on the drone. Hold on, adults are doing important things here. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, yeah, it hurts. I kind of like it. Okay, hold on. That was one attempt. That was, we got some. Let's just, oh yeah, that boy, look at that.
That's pretty good.
That's got a lot of hair. We don't, do ladies reuse strips?
Yeah.
You use them twice?
Yeah. Maybe not if you have that much hair.
No, we don't. I don't get that hairy typically.
So now we're gonna do number 2. You have to put the wax down. Come closer, look. That is a substantial amount of hair.
That's disgusting.
You married me. Okay,
Before you started waxing.
Yeah, you didn't do this before.
Oh, not that I told anybody. Okay, I think we need more of a momentum run up this time. Yeah, bring it! Oh yeah, that's nice and crisp.
I don't always wax my legs, but when I do, it's with a drone.
All right. Nope. This is for adults only. Because waxing your legs with a drone is serious, dangerous business. Wait, am I supposed to, is it supposed to go up or like rip up or like up against the grain? I've been doing it wrong. Is it against the grain?
No, wait, you put it down and then they...
Okay, we're gonna
and then they rip up.
3, 2, 1. Yeah! Oh, that was the perfect one. Look at that strip that it took off. Oh
yeah.
My, okay, that's how we have to do it. We have a system. Okay, we got 4 more strips to do. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah!
It's pretty good, actually.
Yeah.
You might start a salon here.
3, 2, 1. Oh yeah! Have we ever met before?
Yes.
I'm gonna ask you a question. I need an honest opinion. Look at my legs. Which do you prefer? And how would you rate this as a wax job? Feel it.
It's a pretty good job.
There are a few patches. I missed this spot here.
Yeah.
I missed right there. That's the spot. Oh, that had a scab.
That's always the problem area. I miss that all the time.
How much on 10?
6.5.
Would you be surprised if I told you I did it with the drone?
Yes, I would be.